Welcome everybody to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you the worst possible move theoretically. If we calculate, this is the worst possible move. It's impossible to reach this position in a normal game, so as you can see it's only theoretically. Now the worst possible move is actually queen to c1. Why so? So here let's analyze the position first. We can promote all of our pawns and checkmate. Every one of those moves is checkmate. We can checkmate with the knight here because this pawn is pinned. We can also checkmate with the queen here. We can even checkmate with the bishop here. We can even take the pawn, but then white and black still has legal moves and we can checkmate. We can take the pawn this way. There are so many options, and the worst move is queen c1 because then pawn takes and is checkmate, just like that. And yeah, technically this is the worst move. Now black has more moves here. For example, if I don't checkmate, let's make a waste move. Let's play, for example, g3. This is also a bad move because now, I mean, it's not that bad, but it's still bad because now black makes a queen and guess what? It's a fork. It's a triple fork here. And what other moves are bad? For example, another bad move is rook f3 because checkmate with fork as well. So yeah, but technically the worst move is queen c1 because you also blunder a queen and checkmate.